Hello mga kahubak! Hello mga katagays. Okay pa ba ang liver nato din ha? Ako okay pa. Ako lang yun ang lungs dili okay mga katagays. So magtuob sa kog balik ha. Bye! Hey mga katagays, I'm back. Sorry mga katagays, excuse me. I'm not feeling well. I've got this asthma attack. Because last weekend I went to the store, and then here in Belgium it is no longer mandatory to wear face mask, and then I forgot about it. Nilabay ko sa section where kung asabit ang mga detergent soap, and I know I am very allergic sa strong scent sa mga detergent soap. So nasimutan ako tanan. Then I started sneezing and then coughing. Plus nakasimot pa yung kong strong perfume. Ni samot na trigger akong asthma. So no, I'm coughing. I have this burning sensation in my upper respiratory tract. So shalay sa akong chest. So nag-steam inhalation ko or tuob. So for a little bit information about steam inhalation mga katagays, steam inhalation or tuob is one of the widely used home remedies to soothe and open our nasal passages and help relieve symptoms of colds or sinuses infection. Hello, oy! Maroon siya ko lesson din mga katagays. Pamina mo ha ka natay quiz niya. And steam inhalation mga katagays, it involves inhalation of water vapor. So this warm, moist air that we are inhaling, it will loosen the mucus in our nasal passages, in our throats, in our lungs. Mo nang after steam inhalation, gaan na itong ginawa because ang mga airways sa itong lungs, mga usa to pangalan, alveoli, air sacs, sala. Isa man mo-open siya, mag-vasodilate. Sakto na, vasodilate. Patakar akong istorya, diba? Mo-open itong airways, then it will help thin the mucus, and then dali na nato siya saan na tawagan na? Magawas. Example lang mo to. Ano pong example? Nga na siya makatagay. So, I did steam inhalation for 30 minutes best before bedtime, but then dili pa bedtime akong gibuhat because I'm not really feeling well. I went to work, and then when I came home, nagtuob dayon ko, and now I'm here in the kitchen because I'm going to make honey ginger lemon tea. So about this ginger tea, we're going to talk about the benefits later na lang mga katagaysa, and also the side effects if we drink too much ginger tea. So maghimos ako. I'm going to prepare the ingredients. Sila prepare pa nga tulor ko honey, ginger, lemon. Okay mga katagays, I'll be back ha. Mga katagays, I have here ginger. Since I'm going to make 2 cups of honey ginger lemon tea, I'm going to use, I think, 2 of this is enough. If you don't know the size of the ginger, tanawa lang niyo yung kumagko sa til, yung anak ikadata mo na siya mga katagays. So kay mga katagays, I'm going to peel the ginger. So when we boil the ginger, ang mga juice gyud sa ginger makuha gyud nato, ma-extract gyud. Okay mga katagays, ginger mga katagays is typically available in most parts of the world, and remarkably very affordable ditra and healthy. Then mga katagays, we're going to slice our ginger. We're going to pound our ginger so it is easy to extract the juice when we boil the ginger. And we're going to put this inside the pot, and I'm going to add 3 cups of water. Okay, mo evaporate pa ang water, so it will leave us like 2 cups na lang siguro. We're going to boil this for like 2 minutes, and then afterwards we will simmer the ginger for 8 minutes. So it will slowly extract the juices out of the ginger. Okay mga katagay, so while waiting na mag-boil na to ang water, I have here the citron and I have here honey. So very simple ingredients: honey, ginger, and lemon. Mga katagay, the water now is boiling. So when the water starts to boil, we have to start our time for 2 minutes, and then we're going to simmer it for 8 minutes. So mga katagays, it's nearly done. I'm going to prepare our citron. I'm going to slice it. Naitas akong kutsilyo mga katagays eh. I forgot to sharpen my knife. Okay. Oops. Shit, ikit. Cake. Ay, skit ato eh. If your knife is not sharp enough, masama kita mga katagays. I forgot to sharpen the knife. So, diretso sa ko ang finger. Sakita. Wala, si Cliff na to ani. An aid. Sa atong samad, see? Tapos ko siya katagay so lalum. So, it's a bit deep. Oh. Okay, done. So, our ginger tea is done. So mga katagays, I'm going to transfer this in our French press because I don't have a container to put our ginger tea. So very careful mga katagays, or else ma-burn taan ni mga katagays. So also our ginger in. Whoop. Our lemon or citron. There mga katagays, inside. And then we have to press it mga katagays. We're going to press it para magawas ang juice, to extract the juice. So now it's ready. Now di pa din ready. I'm going to let it cool down and later minom taog sa ato ang honey ginger lemon tea. Hello, I'm back. This is Queen of Tea. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now and hit the bell button so you'll be updated every time I upload new video. And please follow me on my Facebook page, Queen of Tea, and Instagram, Queen's Episodes. Mga katagays, before nato imna nato honey ginger lemon tea, I'm going to do random shoutouts. So I'm going to do shoutout without tequila. Kay bawas ang tequila mga katagays, okay? So random shoutouts to my random mga katagays. Need you na kung tequila kung record akong boy mga katagays ay. Wait sa mga katagays ay. Okay. I'm going to do shoutouts to my random subscribers. So shout out to Runaway, thank you so much. Chikadora, Mika Storko, Jaford Tapia Official, Hong Kong Explorer, Joby Hebreo Vlogs, Lyneth Imas, Dora Dots, and Sherry Luyas. And I have here a very special good mga katagays. It's because this person is a Korean. So, naka-Korean iya ang name. So, wala ko kabalo. I can't read it. Look at mga katagays. So, whoever you are, klaro ba? Yeah, this one is my subscriber. Thank you so much for subscribing on my YouTube channel. Kamsamhamnida. Lah, sakto ba ka to? I'm going to get now my honey ginger lemon tea because it's already wait, 7:30 p.m. and I need to rest early because I still have to work early shift tomorrow. I hope my asthma will be gone soon para normal na po akong vlog na po tayo mga shoutouts and tagay. So mga guys, here's now our honey ginger lemon tea. Si makatagay nag-aso pagkikay na siya. And now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of honey. So 1 teaspoon, actually it's a lot already. So a little bit, dili ko gusto tamis. So enough like this one. If you want to add 1 teaspoon, then you may add, but for me it's like half teaspoon, I think. Yes. Mga katagay, about the benefits of drinking ginger tea. Scientific research shows that ginger has medicinal properties that could help ease the symptoms of colds or the sore throats. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory that may help manage the pain and inflammation. So mga katagay, sore throat ha, ingin nila ang luya, makanindot og tingog para man sa sore throat. Ay mo to ano nga katagay do, but kay na may pamagtikila mo, nindot yung tingog. And then mga guys, do not drink more than 3 glasses of ginger tea a day. It will give you mild side effects. If you have a problem with your heart, then you will experience heartburn and then diarrhea, gas formation, kanasimog utot-utot, burping, and stomach discomfort. Mutuod yung ko na mga guys because I have experienced those side effects. Kay lagi gusto din ko maulian, so I drank 3 glasses of ginger tea morning, noon, and night. So then I experienced stomach discomfort and si utot-utot. I cannot sleep. Recommended dosage: 1 glass of honey ginger lemon tea. So mga guys, I'm going to sleep now. If you have cough, cold, flu, well, asthma, then make this honey ginger lemon tea. All the way down. Okay mga guys, I hope you enjoyed my vlog today and I hope you learned something in making honey ginger lemon tea and the benefits and the side effects. Remember, only 1 glass a day before bedtime. And please don't forget to subscribe, Queen of Tea, and see you in my next video. Bye mga guys and good night. Good night mga guys. Hala mga katagay, naulian na lagi ko sa akong asthma. Hala, effective. Joke lang mga katagay. Matulog rin ko mga katagay. I'm gonna turn off my camera. Good night mga katagay. Stay healthy. Bye.